Hi, right now I'm gonna explain to you how does my system works when I'm doing campaigns for real estate, like if I am going to run an advertising to sell houses like this one. As you can see here in my screen. This first level is the Facebook advertising. Okay, so these are the copy, and this is the image. So these Facebook ads, the good thing about Facebook ads, for you to know, is that you can create a specific targeting audience. All right. So what does it mean? So for example, if I'm going to target people with high-end jobs, or who are interested with real estate or housing projects, or office areas, all right, or if they're interested something with basketball, or with baseball, or with NBA, and the good thing, you can also target if these people are like they were just purchased like yesterday or 2 days ago, or if they are traveling into that area or into other area, or if they are living in the specific location. So you can determine those attributes in Facebook ads. So that's why this is my favorite. All right. So so let's say we're gonna have a scenario. For example, I'm the target audience. So I saw this ad. And once I saw this ad, so since I'm a bit interested. So I'm looking for a house. So I'm gonna click this ad, and once I've clicked this ad, I'm gonna land here on the second level, which is the automatic lead qualifying system. So this is the system that I have as well. Um, I can either use a chatbot, if you're familiar with that, or a landing page. Okay, so what does it do is that the good thing about this automatic lead qualifying system is that you can actually put some relevant questions there, so that in that specific moment you can actually qualifying those people. So that's the purpose, right? Those who are looking to this ad. All right, so it will save you lots of time of getting a lead, and of course, instead asking them manually, like the how much is their gross monthly income, are they self-employed, are they employed, are they married. So those kind of questions, you can actually put those questions right there. Okay, so that's the good thing. And of course, after 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 they do that, so those answers and those leads are gonna transfer automatically as well into spreadsheets like Google Sheets. Okay, so that's the thing. And then it has then it's it's up to your agents when are they gonna call these people. All right. So the good thing is you can actually call them, and you can actually add them into your email sequence if you do have, like for example, you want to nurture, or you want to educate your I don't know, your lists about what you are selling, what are you up to, and what are the updates, what about the market shares, the news about real estate. So that is a good those are the good things about my system. Okay, so I'm gonna show you right now how does the automatic lead qualifying works. Okay, for I'm gonna bring it to one of my sequence. Okay, so I'm gonna preview this one. Okay, all right, I'm gonna open my messenger now. Okay, as you can see here. Alright, so for example, I'm running an open house ad. So here, so hi, here. So what is your purpose of buying? So let's disregard this one. Okay. Okay. So what is your purpose of buying? You get to live in. Okay. So what property are you looking for? House and lot or condominium? I'm gonna go for house and lot. Okay. And of course, what location? Metro Manila, for example. And then how much is the property are you looking for? You are looking for 1.5 to 3 million. Okay. So soon I'm gonna buy. For example, I'm gonna buy within 6 months or 6 months from now. Okay, so which is the best way to contact you? Like for example, I'm gonna give my phone number. Right? Okay, please confirm your mobile number by tapping it below. So I'm gonna click that. And then when is the best day to contact you? Like for example, I'm gonna choose weekends. Alright, so which best describes you? So for example, I'm an employed one. Okay, so awesome bro, that was fast. Okay. And then please give us enough time to send you the complete details of the property you're looking for. I may contact you with the info you have provided. Okay. So yeah, rest assured that we will give you only what you need. Respect your inbox and your privacy. Okay, so it's still typing. And thank you very much. Okay, as you can see there. All right, so then after they filled up with the leads with the qualifying questions, so the leads are gonna automatically transferred into a spreadsheet. Okay, so that's how it is. That's how I do my system with Facebook advertising with a copy with a relevant image or video, so with captivating message, then right targeting. I can assure you that you'll get the results that you've been looking for. Okay, so that's a good thing about this real estate lead generation for Facebook ads. Okay, so if you have any questions or if you're ready to have this in your business, please feel free to message me. Okay, have a blessed day.